day 4 and we're pulling into Puerto Rico. That's the pilot boat right there, guiding us in. And you can see a bunch of small islands right there along this stretch and also beyond. We're officially pulling into Puerto Rico. Look at that view. Welcome to Old San Juan. Before you go dropping hundreds of dollars on ship excursions, stop right there. You don't need to book a tour in Puerto Rico. The moment you step off this ship, you are literally standing inside a 500-year-old historic paradise that is 100% walkable. Now, full transparency. The second you walk through those port exit gates, you're going to get hit with a wall of hustle. Drivers holding up laminated signs, folks trying to sell you $40 city van tours, and people pushing driving excursions. It can feel a little overwhelming, but just give them a polite "no thank you" and keep moving. We did do the van tour, but at the end, I thought it was not worth it at all. You don't need a van to see the best part of this island. However, my husband has really bad back issues, and so it was convenient for him to take the van ride. So we did it, and come along with us.
We're back here with these little buses where you pay at the very end, $20 per person. Of course, we carry the federal IDs, TWIC cards. She already has people on board, almost ready to leave. Bucket seats, a seat. Instead of walking uphill, here we show it to you all.
Yes.
We got her right here
Together, the black pan. This is only new. It's better because you go walking around, you go missing.
So we pay at the end.
You can pay at the end. It's only $20. It's better than walking around by yourself. You're going to the center of the city where the only thing that you can see is shopping, like every island. But in the tour, you got more opportunities to see the beach, to see the convention center, to see the Capitol building, to see the Three Fortress. And we not really ready to leave, so we got people.
Yeah.
The Spanish conquistadors that got to the island, the Africans that will go to the island in the year 1513 by the Spaniards, and the Taino Indians that were already living in the island. You mix those three together and watch out. Because you're gonna get a Maria.
You're gonna get the Maria.
Over here to your left we have monument of a rooster. That is because Puerto Rico is the only territory of United States that the cockfights are legal. They make millions with the cockfights here in Puerto Rico. They call it the gentleman's court.
Oh.
We're gonna stop and you're gonna see the San Cristóbal from here. Here in Puerto Rico, where a House of Representatives and Senate is all marble. In the outside, marble from Georgia, United States. In the inside, marble from Italy and Spain. And it was built in 1929. After El Morro, we're gonna stop here, but into the other side. This is the side, guys, that you see on TV all the time when Puerto Rican are protesting, okay? You know Puerto Rican, they love to party and protest, right? Over here to your right, the St. John the Baptist Square, that from 78 coats of arms of the 78 towns that Puerto Rico has. And if you look at that time. Look at this one over here. This one over here has the original blue cobblestone. The blue cobblestone that were put in the street of Old San Juan to get the street stronger because they got deteriorated because of all the military work. So they decided to put the blue cobblestone on the street of Old San Juan. And that peculiar color is because of the way they were made from iron slab. And over here, to the right, you can right now. Later on, I'm going to show you the new city. And the old city, when the Spanish were here, it was surrounded, all surrounded. These big city walls that you see over here. Imagine like a city inside a fort, like that. The city walls went up to 42 feet high, so these city walls are like 42 feet high. But after many years of peace to expand the city, most of the walls were demolished. So these are the remaining of the city walls. And you also see the century boxes there. They are all over Old San Juan and all over the fort. The Spanish always had a soldier in each one of them, always watching for the enemy. They had an 18-hour shift. Every 18 hours, they will change the soldier. And that
And the last one we have is Obama. Is Obama at the end? Yeah. So guys, here we have 3 minutes, so you can go take pictures.
Baila conmigo bajo la luna, el ritmo calienta, siente. La fortuna de sol y fuego, pasión en la arena. Tu movimiento es pura candela. Fuego, fuego en el corazón. Fuego. la canción. Sun-kissed bodies dancing in the glow. Heat of the summer, letting it go. From the player to the disco lights, we keep it moving all through the night. Fuego, fuego, en el corazón. Fuego, mueve, bebé sin.
So much stuff going on. Drum shots, $2. Get drunk on $10. 5 shots. Boy. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna go to the next one.
Yep.
Yeah. Decent, man. It's rocky. Sure.
Here, get over here. आनंद ने तो पहले कह दिया और
Can you believe it? At the end of the day, we ended up doing a walking tour on our own because the van tour only took us to 3 stops: the cemetery, the Capitol building, and the beach. And each stop lasted 15 minutes. It was a much better experience just walking around, shopping, viewing all the unique buildings, the cobblestones. Save your money, grab your walking shoe, and explore San Juan on your own terms. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Our next stop, Ocean Cay, MSC Private Island. Can't wait. See you.